What is up, YouTube? And today we have another YouTube video. Today we are going to be solving the smallest Rubik's Cube ever. Now here's a normal sized Rubik's Cube, and here's this Rubik's Cube. Yeah, you can see it's like one square of this Rubik's Cube. One cube of this Rubik's Cube is this. So, yeah, let's do this. I'm just going to give it a 15 scramble. It's hard to turn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I said 15, but we're gonna go 20, 19, 20. Okay, so here's a 20 scramble on this Rubik's Cube. So, yeah. I know you're gonna hardly see the Rubik's Cube, but I'm gonna finish here. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna turn to the white side and look for the cross, obviously. After the bat, I have already 2 pieces in. All I have to do is get this red in and put this blue in, then I'm done. There we go. Okay, well, cross is done. Now it's time to F2L. Right here, you can do that, and then get an F2L pair. So there it is. And then you're just gonna, like that. Okay, so as you can see here, I got one corner done, and I also got the F2L pair in that corner. So let's go to the next corner here. Next F2L pair. Oh, got one right here. Okay, F2L pair in place. Darn, it's hard to turn. Okay, there's the next F2L pair. So you can see how that it's almost done, and see how I have 2 corners in. Man, this thing's hard to turn and hard to see. Okay. Well, we need to get this F2L pair in. Whoa. Oh, my goodness, I can't. It hurts my hands to solve this thing. Go. There we go. We got the F2L pair in, and we got one more to go. Right there. Okay, well. Okay, it's not going to be that hard. We just got to turn it to its correct spot, and then just, you're just going to go like this, F2L pair, and do this algorithm. Like that. And then that got us across here. Well, okay. Well, now we have to do this algorithm. R2, the R prime, U2, R, D prime, R prime, U2, and then down. And then we're almost done here. As you can see, and just do this algorithm: front, up, left, right, and prime, front, left, prime, right, up, front. And there is the solving of the smallest Rubik's Cube in the world. So, stay tuned, guys. I am going to do how to do the 3x3 Rubik's Cube CFOP, and it's going to be a little more thorough, a little more advanced, too. More algorithms, because there's actually around 50 algorithms you need to learn for 2-look, CLL, and PLL combined. So, I'm going to teach you a lot of those, the important ones anyways. There's a couple more, like, different ones for the same... different algorithms for the same outcome. But so yeah, that's why I haven't been posting lately. I've been working on one video, trying to get it down. So yeah, guys, I will make the CFOP tutorial tomorrow. So stay tuned to that. And yeah, guys, see ya.